Hi everybody, it's Indy back at it again with another travel vlog with my family. It is Sunday and it's a long weekend, so that means basically we just get 3 days a weekend. We get Monday off school, and my family...
We're going on a family hike.
My family and I have decided to go on an overnight hike. It's actually only 20 k's, like 21 k's, yeah. And so it won't be that. So it's like 10 k's in, 10 k's out. Up in Ballarat. Those are all of our bags in the back there. And my brother Arden is driving. So bit scary. Okay.
Why is it scary?
We are in a town called Beaufort. As you can see, it's just west of Ballarat, and it took us about 2 hours to get from Melbourne to here. Indy, look through the window. I can't see.
Okay, we just got here.
We are going to put our backpacks on. Can you open the boot? Oh, I thought you had a wasp on your head. So you can see we're going on the Beeripmo walk. It's about a 22k round trip. I reckon our bags are about 5 to 6 kilos each. Why? You gotta give it a chance. Like, it'll be fun. It's actually just what you make of it.
Yeah, well, I have fun.
You tired, Indy?
Half a sure.
How are you feeling, Indy?
I have sweaty patches.
I also have sweaty patches.
Where's your sweaty patches?
Oh, it's come on, can you just zoom in for me?
Okay, where's our picnic?
You've got it.
On this rock, I mean. So that's the Grampians over there. Wow, look at the views. How long have we got to go? Are we only halfway? We're here!
Say something philosophical. Go!
When you sneeze and fart at the same time, is that a screenshot?
Indy, can you go and borrow some fire?
Sorry?
Can you go and borrow some fire?
I'm not brave enough.
Hey? No, why not? Go over there. Go over there and borrow some fire off those boys. What you doing?
I'm just trying to put some more kindling in it so that it gets big, so that it catches the bigger stuff.
Get some little twigs.
on top of it. Put some liquid twigs on top of the burning thing. What are we having for dinner, Indy? Soup.
Soup and bread.
Can you show me?
What soup is it? Can I see?
Italian minestrone.
Alright.
Delicious, nourishing, good source of dietary fiber, no added colours. Fire is looking pretty good. Somebody set up the stove because that's going to take ages to heat up. No, it isn't. The soup?
No.
Oh, okay.
What time is it? We're not going to eat it like 4 o'clock, are we?
In an old rocking chair. I know the next verse.
Hey, true blue.
Is it me and you?
Is
it mom and dad? Is it a cockatoo?
Is
Is standing by your mate when you need a fight?
or just Vegemite? True blue, true.
Alright, flex, that's fine.
He does that in the song. Minestrone, Italian minestrone. It's actually heating up.
I can feel warmth here.
It's a kind of magic.
There can be only one. This rage that lasts 1,000 years will soon be gone. This flame that burns inside of me, I'm here in secret harmony. The bell that rings inside your mind is challenging the doors of time.
Say something philosophical.
Something philosophical.
I knew this guy called Phil. He was sophical.
I'm in here and a half. And you go poop in a sock.
No. Super sizzling structure. Look for the M&Ms. Okay, hi guys, it's day 2. I just went to the drop toilet. It smelled really bad, but that's okay. It's better than digging a hole. We're just waiting on the boys to wake up so that we can have breakfast and then go home. It's too cold. What are we having for breakfast, Andy? I think we have for breakfast
Some water to boil.
yeah,
Usually rice.
yeah, and mocha. Where's Addy?
You know where the milk is?
Let's see what Addy's doing. Morning, Aiden. Did you sleep alright?
Yeah, no, not really.
What happened? Too cold?
Nah, I was just tossing and turning. Couldn't really find any comfortable positions.
Yeah.
And I drooled everywhere.
Yuck. I had to snuggle up to Indy. She wouldn't snuggle up to me and then when I snuggled up to her, we fell asleep alright. Didn't we, Indy?
Were you cold?
Yeah, freezing. That tent did not provide much insulation. Run to paradise.
Doo-doo, Johnny, you and me were always just a friends. Stick together every day. Run to paradise.
I reckon, yeah. See, things like this, if you're experienced, you don't bring the box, you just bring the music bars.
Yeah, but usually you can just burn the box. Yeah, you can. here. Just get all the poles off. Come on. Time to pack up. Alright, so it's day 2. We made it through the night. We just started walking, so today is the 13k day. Well, it's 8k's if we're just doing the loop back, but there's like a detour that's like 4k return or something like that, to go out onto like the summit, like the top of the mountain, to see a view. So we're going to be doing that. We reckon it'll take about 4 hours to get back home. I mean, to the car. This is the toilet.
We did a detour to the summit. The view was amazing. You can see the Grampians in the distance. What time is it now?
12:30.
Let's go and get some coffee. The trek back was much faster than we anticipated because it was all downhill. We actually came back an hour earlier than we expected. Overall, the hike was quite enjoyable. There were no fights or complaints or whinges. Getting back to basics was actually really nice, and leaving the coronavirus issues back in Melbourne was also really good.